seats basically, and any kind of leather can be cleaned with this.
Any kind of leather can be cleaned, basically artificial leather or pure leather. So remove a lot of stains from the leather seats.
Okay.
Like small kids have these ball pens or pen scratches.
Right.
They remove.
185 rupees for 250 ml.
It's very easy to apply, and all our cleaners do their own job.
Oh, that is actually very smooth.
So it nourishes the leather as well.
Yeah.
So it avoids faster or sooner wear and tear of the leather.
Yeah.
It makes it very soft. Yes, it's very
Look at that.
dirty.
It's very dirty. It's very
inside.
dirty. Yeah.
See this? It's all dirty here.
Okay.
It's all dirty here.
Right.
And it is artificial leather.
Yeah.
So we are going to make it brand new and show it to you.